Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for players that you played with on your Nintendo Switch, and then add them as a friend. So maybe you were playing Super Smash Brothers and you played with someone and you thought they were cool, and you want to go ahead and add them as a friend. Go to the upper left where your name is. I'm Timothy. I'm going to go to Timothy's page. Select this. Then scroll on down to where it says Add Friend. Go to the right and go to search for users you played with. Select A on that. Then go to a user. So I can see I played Rocket League with these two people, and then Paladins right here, Realm Royale. I don't even know if that's out anymore. I think they closed that down. But we can select their name. Then we have the option to send friend request. I'm going to send a friend request. If accepted, we will become friends. So we can see the date that we played together. This was 10/17/2019. This was 5 years ago almost. I don't play my Nintendo Switch all that much, but you can see their in-game name. It's Ian. So we can see him under my friends list if they come online now and accept us. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.